Mr. Muhammad Asim Khan, Secretary Health Muhammad Asim, uh, advisor to the Chief Minister Riyas Awal, the Chief Health Services Secretary, Dr. Shakatoli, ladies and gentlemen, uh, I would like to greet you again in the name of Allah. Uh, so I would like to start with uh, thank you to the Chief Minister for coming to this event. That shows the commitment of the Chief Minister when it comes to the provision of quality health services to the people of Kebbi. I would like also to mention the commendable work that the health department has been doing, and we can all remember at the peak of the COVID-19, there was a lot of effort and a lot of things were done. I think generally one of the key, I mean, in this situation is when we face challenges like COVID-19. Also, it brings sometimes opportunities. And I think it is oxygen generated plants could be one of the opportunities when it comes to provision of health services in difficult times. And you can remember how it was very difficult. I was in Kebbi during the peak of COVID-19. We didn't have enough oxygen and people were dying. Now we feel that the health system is more stronger, more holistic when we include services like oxygen generation plants, which would be easily available for the public. Although it is only one facility, and we have also plans to do another facility similar to this in Abbottabad, I believe it's also a good model for the government of Kenya so that it can be scaled up elsewhere. I have already heard from the Secretary of Health asking additional support, and we are very available for that. Having said that, I just want to also mention that UNICEF work in support of the KP government is not limited to health services. We do support education programs, particularly getting girls in school. We support water and sanitation also programs where we would like to see more people accessing to clean water, drinking water. We support also child protection activities with the social welfare department. Nutrition services, health services is a cornerstone of our work. Coming back to the oxygen generation plant, uh, this is one system and it is meant for Cheresada Children's Hospital. But we do understand it's going to also support other facilities in the district with the filling station that you have just seen. The project is not also limited to this. We have, during the COVID-19, we came to know